Fisher-Price Rainforest Jumperoo. Seat spins 360 degrees, so baby can discover toys all around. Sturdy, freestanding steel frame lets baby jump safely, no doorways required. Maximum height 32 inches, 81 centimeters. Maximum weight 25 pounds. Easily adjusts to 3 different heights as baby grows. Soft spring covers keep little fingers safe. Busy activities include peekaboo tiger, bat at monkey, rattle lizard, bobble elephant, spinner drum and more. Note: use only for a child who is able to hold head upright unassisted and who is not able to walk or climb out of product. To avoid tip over, place product on a flat level surface. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.